used in articles. The use of definite article. We have been learning the use of definite article for the past 3-4 classes. And even in this video we will try to learn one more point. So here I have written, the is used in comparisons to show that something changes or happens if something changes or happens. Once again I repeat, the is used in comparisons to show that something changes or happens if something changes or happens. So what does it mean? Now we will try to understand looking at the examples. First example, you see, the higher you climb, the colder it becomes. See here, the higher you climb or we climb, the colder it becomes. So here we can find the change in weather. So as we grow up and the weather it becomes colder. That's what we have seen here. The higher you climb, the colder it becomes. If something changes, something will change, or something changes. If something changes, something will change. And then look at second example. The more you read, the better you understand. This is another way. The more you read, the better you understand. So again here, if something happens, what is that something? If you read more, what happens? You understand whatever you are reading better. So if something happens, something will happen. We use in comparisons like this, the. So here we can find the use the here and even the here. The more you read, the better you understand. And you remember here, always here the adjective is in comparative degree. That we need to remember. The adjective is in comparative form. And then third example, the more you remember, the better you answer. And once again here we can find the use of the here and the. The more you remember, the better you answer. So in this way we can tell many other examples and we can use in our speaking this structure and this usage. And let us see one more example here. The sooner you leave, the better it is. So there might be something danger for you if you stay there for a long time. So in that case we can say the sooner you leave, the better it is for you. So like that we can say or we can use this structure, the sooner you leave, the better it is. So this is one thing. And then again the second thing is, the is used before comparative degree when we compare only two persons or things. Once again I repeat, the is used before comparative degree when we compare only two persons or things. So generally in comparisons, degrees of comparison, we do comparisons between two things and two persons. Sometimes even we do comparisons more than two persons or things. In that case we are supposed to use superlative degree. That we will learn in comparison of degrees. But however here, when we compare only two persons or two things, we are supposed to use before comparative degree the definite article the. That we need to remember. So now look at the examples. Shilpa is the taller of the two sisters. There are two sisters, only two sisters. In those two sisters, Shilpa is the taller. Generally, the is used before superlative degrees, the tallest. When we compare more than two persons, we can use and we can write in that way. But here the comparison is between only two persons. So that's why even though it is comparative degree, the will be preceded or the will come here. So that we need to remember. And then look at the second example here. This is the better of the two watches. So I have a son and I have brought two watches for him on his birthday. Two watches I gave to him. And I have told him just choose or select only one. He had only two watches, not more than two, only two watches. So then he took those two watches and looked at them, and he finally decided one watch among those two. So, and he felt that it might be better for him. So in that case, this is the better of the two watches. He said, this is the better of the two watches, and I'm going to take. So like that, we can use the definite article the before comparative degree. Next one, third one. Ramu is the cleverer of the two friends. So let us take Ramu and Somu are friends, and they are clever. Both are clevers. But sometimes in the exam, Ramu he gets good marks, and most of the times Ramu gets good marks compared to Somu. So in that case we can say Ramu is the cleverer of the two friends. Only two friends are there. In those two friends, Ramu is the cleverer, because most of the time Ramu is the person who is getting more marks than his friend Somu. So in this way we can use the definite article the in comparisons in this structure, and even here before comparative degree when we compare only two persons. So my dear friends, we have so many uses of the which is a definite article, many usages, but we have to understand where they are used and how they are used. That usage is very important. So I hope once again I made you understand about the use of definite article the. So in this way we have to understand. So I hope you understood even this explanation and this thing, and please keep on watching my videos and learn new things. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.